scared to bake a healthy, sugar-free, delicious cake. It's intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. When you think of eating cake, you typically think of having an insulin spike and then crashing. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this healthy, delicious, sugar-free cake that will be so good to your blood sugar. Let's get started. Outfit of the day, we got a New York hat that I bought in New York, a necklace that's from Amazon, thrifted, noble, sweatshirt, sweatpants that are probably more like pajamas, and then my Birkenstocks were also hand-me-down. As far as the little toddler outfit of the day, we have a shirt with crumbs on it. It's slightly too big for him. Fleece pants that are slightly too small for him. Some cute little Vans, and that's about it. We are out of some ingredients, so we are heading to Kroger to go pick those up so we can start baking. So here we go. Dave, you want this big one right here? Yeah. All right, so I just got home and I totally forgot to buy the cocoa powder. I had it in my cart and I guess it fell at the bottom and I didn't see it. This is all I have left. It's like not even half a cup. I hate moments like this. Back to the store. Back to the store. Okay. So much better. 2 whole sticks equals 1 cup melted butter. Alright. The recipe calls for 2 cups of coffee, but be sure to give yourself a 3rd cup of coffee so that you can enjoy it while you are baking your cake. While my coffee is brewing, I'm going to start preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my 9-inch pans. I have 3 of them. It smells so good. Ouch, it's so hot. Let's try another cool editing trick. Why do I complicate stuff so much? Okay, here we go. Gosh, no chocolate on my camera. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not really licking the lens, okay? Don't be weird. I've seen some really excellent chefs shake it around. I'm not really sure. Just watched a couple kids baking championship shows. We learned to shake the batter. I don't know. I guess it gets the air bubbles. If you are a chef or have baked cakes before, let me know in the comments below, why do we do this? Or do we not? I don't even know. 350, 30 to 35 minutes. One. I guess I forgot 2 and 3, but you guys get the point. All right, 30 to 35 minutes. And we are about to make coffee. I love this mug. We got 30 to 35 minutes. So here is the game plan. I am going to go ahead and make the frosting because I can let that sit in the fridge. The chocolate drip is something that needs to be warm, so I'm gonna make that last. While we are waiting for the cake to cool, we are gonna go thrifting, and then we will be back and finish the cake for my husband's birthday tomorrow. It's gonna be so good.
A few moments later.
Excuse me. This is awkward, but I'm just holding my phone for those upward angle shots that I think are pretty cool, so there's that. I'm going to use this as my mixer. This kid. Daddy, I love you. You are so cute. Oh, no. Whoopsie. Why is baking so challenging, buddy? All right, let's try lower. I don't know. How to thicken frosting when yours is very runny. There's xanthan gum, gelatin, more cream cheese. I'll just use non-fat Greek yogurt. I don't think you'll notice. I'm gonna do a little bit of gelatin. I'm gonna put this in the fridge and see if that will allow it to thicken, because this is like soup. After when the kids baking championship, they always work. Wow, look, it looks good. It looks amazing. I did gelatin. I did non-fat Greek yogurt, more stevia. I need help.
What?
I don't know how to fix my cake.
You're amazing.
Okay, it does not look good. I guess I would do it as I'm an average baker. So even if I can, as an average baker, make something happen, this is about the best it's gonna get for me. This looks so pretty. Here, taste it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope that you have the courage to bake this delicious cake. Until next time, subscribe, join the family, and have a wonderful day. Bye.